Hey guys, so today I'm going to be telling you how to edit scenarios in Nascar 5. This is well, not very simple, but it is. So you're going to want to go to wherever the hell your Heat 5 is. So mine's here. And then go to Nascar for Data Streaming Assets PC. Do not go to Asset Bundles. Instead, we're going to go down here. Now, what you're going to want to do is click on this. Open with Notepad. And as you can see, open it with Notepad, and it will open with Notepad. Now, I'm not going to edit this scenario. I'm going to find another scenario to edit. I don't know, Kentucky. Alright, so first when you're in here, I don't think you should edit this because that's the challenge. Like, I think that's for this. So if you go into asset bundles, there's something in here called it's actually, I don't know where that is. But yeah, it would probably be in one of these, so I think it's just best not to touch it. If you know what I mean. I just don't think it's best to touch it. And then this is the lap count. So this is the amount of laps the race has. So let's just edit that, I don't know, to 99. And then this is the driver that, this is the event. So if you want to change this, I don't know, let's just say Cup, God for sakes, Michigan. That is the event. Now this is the driver. So instead of say, this is the driver that's challenging you. So when you go into the game, you'll see when you load the challenges, there's a driver challenging you. Now, this one's Kurt Busch, so I don't know, let's just change this to Kyle Busch. And then, so this is the league. I believe 0 is Cup, 1 is Xfinity, 2 is Trucks, and 3 is Dirt, but I have no idea. And I don't know what this does. And then this is the default start lap, so I actually have to change it, so let's just start like 98. This is where you'll start the challenge, this is where you'll end the challenge. Now, display order, I don't know what these do. This is the name, so you can edit this. To anything you want, I'm just going to change mine to balls. And this is the description. Now, you have to make sure everything is in parentheses, or else the game will crash. So, if you just do this, and then this doesn't really do anything, because in the earlier games it will. So, if you're doing this on, say, like let me give you an example. If you're doing this on, like, Heat 2, Heat 2 data. If you're doing this on Heat 2 scenarios and you open this up, this will actually look much different. I don't know why, but as you can see, reward video name. I think that's the reason why, but the reward video name. So yeah, that's just the difference, if you know what I mean. So, and then this is the track name, so you have to put the track name. So we're gonna change now. You have to change the event and this, or else the challenge will not work. So we're gonna put Michigan. I hope that works. I hope I spelled that right. And then I don't know what this is like the condition. So on different challenges, I'm going to take I think it's this Talladega for, no, that's the wrong one. That's for Heat 2. But I'm going to take where's the Heat 5 one? I'm in the wrong folder. I'm still in the Heat 2 folder. Hang on. So if you go to scenarios and then you look at this, I don't know if this is the right one I'm looking at. I just closed my notepad too. I don't really care. This is Wreckfest, so as you can see, you need to win the race, right? I guess it's a win condition. Hello, me from the future here. So it turns out, when you're editing, something, this value right here, it's actually like, I'm editing a scenario from Heat 3. This is actually the position you have to finish in. I'm not sure if, that it can be any number. I'm pretty sure it can. Also, this is a better example of the intro video name and the reward, because the one in Heat 2 is a disaster. But yeah, this is just an example. This is like, where you you can finish to beat the challenge. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Also, one more thing, this is quick. Sears Point Sonoma has to be set as Sears Point for whatever reason. In the track name, it has to be set as Sears Point. I can't tell you why, honestly. I think it's because this game, I don't know. I don't know why it has to be set like that. This game is very silly sometimes. I can't tell you why. Also, this game is really funny. Also, I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know. Alright, that's it. Bye. There's a lot of things still to be worked out, so if it doesn't work, please comment. I will help you. I will try and fix it. All of them, I'm not sure, really, so it's just better, I think, to keep that. I don't know what other conditions there are. I mean, there's conditions for, like, tire wear, but I don't really know how to edit that, so I just leave it alone. And then these are the cars. So, I don't know what these do exactly with the -1. and I don't know how to remove drivers without the game crashing right now. But if you were to set, so if there's drivers left, I think it's for drivers that you don't want in the race. You can't remove them, or else the game won't work because you have to have 40 cars. So let's just scroll down here for a second, and it's better if you want to look for something like, I don't know, true, like, and then this is your driver. This is the driver you'll be excuse me. So if you want to set that to false, and then put, I don't know, a different driver as your, like William Byron, for example, as your driver, you can do that. Now, I'm pretty sure laps means how many laps down you are, but just for, I'm just going to try this, actually. So we're going to put this on 97, I believe. I'm not sure what that does exactly. But, yeah, so I'm pretty sure that if this does, also you should make a backup just in case it doesn't work. Because, trust me, sometimes this game is weird and it will crash. What the hell scenario was I editing? Kentucky. So you want to kind of make a backup of it. And now what we can try is say, I don't know, we're moving a driver. So let's just see if that works. So we're gonna, so I'm pretty sure you have to set it to -1, but I'm not sure on that either. I also cannot find another driver to save my life. There's like 2 drivers here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it does, but I have no idea. Is player false? Is there any other drivers? How many drivers are in this challenge? I might have to pick a different challenge for this example. My goodness gracious, there's like no drivers, like 2 drivers. I literally cannot find another driver other than William Byron and Kurt Busch. I know Kyle Busch is in this challenge. So I'm just going to search. I think Kyle Busch is in this challenge. Hold on. I'm probably going to cut most of this out, but where the hell was that? What the hell? Kind of embarrassing, but I can't seem to find any other drivers. I don't know how many there are in this challenge. Or what I think it is maybe you have to line the driver up with the number. So, like, C7, like, SC17. But again, I'm not sure. Also, don't know what this does. I think I'm editing the wrong challenge. Oh. I'm editing the wrong challenge. Oops. Sorry. But, yeah, this is a perfect example. This is, like, if you want, like, crashes. I just edited that. Whoops. But yeah, this is like if you want like the AI to like wreck, you add this serialized events to their thing. So I'm not going to save this. You add the serialized events. So we're going to change, I don't know, him to be true. Actually, we're going to do that after. Research, Control F. That is not what I wanted. But yeah, so we're going to search true. I believe that's Kurt Busch, yes. We're going to set this to false. Now, I'm not sure how many drivers are in this challenge. And then I don't think it was a 0 car. I'm not sure. And then we're going to go back. I don't know. Let's just set the 20 car to be true as the player. Now, let's try and remove a driver. I don't know if this really works. So we're going to do -1. And we're going to save it and see if it loads. So, yeah. That's just a quick little tutorial. Sometimes the game will make it past the loading screen. And that's probably because you try to remove drivers. But I think you can never remove a driver. I think you have to put it as -1 if I'm correct. I don't know if I'm correct, though. I've had many instances where also this tutorial is probably so stupidly... Let's see if it even loads. Sometimes it doesn't load. You have to get past the screen. And yeah, it loaded. So we're going to see if our changes worked. We're going to see if our changes worked. So challenges. Base pack. Yep, there it is. See? And we're going to load it up. This is at Michigan. I hope my wheel's plugged in. And we're going to see if our changes worked. I will also show you guys some other things you can do. I don't know how to exactly, I think it crashed. Nope. Why the hell are we in the ground? What the hell? But it works. I don't know why we were in the ground exactly. I don't know why we were in the ground. But yeah, this is just how to edit challenges. I'm not sure why we were in the ground. I don't know, I found that kind of weird. Also, I'm using a paint scheme set for Heat 4, so that's why my cars are 2019, not 2020, but yeah. I think we're in the ground. I think Kurt Busch is a lap down. Let me check. I'm going to get on the back straight away. Is he a lap down? No. But I don't know what that lap 97 really, that lap thing does, so I have no idea. But yeah, this is our edited challenge. The AI will run, basically, it's the same condition I'm talking about. I don't know why we're on the ground. That could just be the fault of changing the track. I don't know why we were in the ground. different coordinates. I don't know, but yeah, that's how to edit challenges in Nascar 5, but I'm going to show you some other things you can do that I know how to do personally. So we're going to close out of Heat 5. Actually, I don't really know. There's not much else you can do other than looking at other notepad things. So we're going to look at more. I just opened the Microsoft Store. But yeah, we're going to look at, say, Kyle Busch. Where's the Kyle Busch one from Heat 4? Actually, we're going to use Truex as an example. Tire Fire. So we're going to look for Truex. This is a mod in Heat 5, I'm pretty sure. Or they just left it in here. I don't know. But yeah. What? Where the hell is the true driver? Oh, here he is. So this is serialized events. So say you want like your tires like to be like falling apart. You copy this. You go back to the Kentucky one. Where is it? I can never find it. Where is it? You go back to, that's the copy. I don't want the copy. You go back to Kentucky, and now you want, I think you want to set this to true for the player, and you can also do it for whatever hell driver you want. So where's the player? And then serialized events, you want to replace this. Hope it works. I hope I copied that right. I'm just going to check, yeah. I don't know why we're in the ground. I don't know if that's just a fault of the game. I really couldn't tell you, honestly. I'll try and figure out a solution. I'll figure out a solution. I don't know why you're in the ground. I found it kind of strange. But yeah, if you've ever wanted to edit the scenarios in NASCAR Heat 5, that's how you do it. It's very simple. Once you learn how to do it, it's very simple. Hopefully you make it past this loading screen. Now, 2022 doesn't have scenarios, but if you could figure out a way to add those, that'd be amazing. So I'm pretty sure it would be pretty simple. Now we're going to go to the challenge. Hopefully it doesn't crash. I don't know why we're in the ground. That could just be a fault of coordinates. I have no idea. Yep, see? We're at tires now. I don't know why we're in the ground. I find that kind of weird. I'll try and figure out a solution off camera. I think it's with coordinates, but I'm not good at coordinates, so I have no idea. Also, we had no tires. I'm pretty sure if you wanted to edit that, you would... I'm not sure, though. And serialized events is just... I don't know. I'll have to figure that out later while we're in the ground. But yeah, that's how to edit scenarios in NASCAR 5. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.